Artificial General Intelligence. Artificial General Intelligence. AGI defined. Artificial General Intelligence, AGI, refers to a highly autonomous, self-aware, and adaptable artificial intelligence system capable of understanding and performing a wide range of tasks at or beyond human-level intelligence. Distinction from narrow AI. AGI differs from narrow AI, artificial narrow intelligence (ANI), which is designed to excel at specific tasks but lacks the ability to generalize knowledge and skills across different domains. Consciousness and self-awareness. AGI's potential to possess consciousness and self-awareness raises complex philosophical and ethical questions about the nature of artificial beings. The singularity. AGI's creation could lead to the technological singularity, a hypothetical event where AI's rapid self-improvement surpasses human intelligence, potentially leading to unforeseen consequences. Cognitive flexibility. AGI's cognitive abilities would enable it to transfer knowledge, adapt to new situations, and solve problems in diverse contexts, making it highly versatile. Ethical challenges. Developing AGI brings significant ethical considerations, such as ensuring it adheres to human values, does not pose existential risks, and is beneficial for society. Creativity and innovation. AGI's potential to think creatively and innovate could lead to revolutionary advancements in science, technology, and various industries. Cooperative AI. AGI could collaborate with humans in a symbiotic relationship, enhancing human capabilities and addressing complex global challenges like climate change and disease. Superintelligent concerns. AGI's superintelligence, if not carefully controlled, could outperform human reasoning, potentially leading to unintended consequences or even loss of control. Development timeline. While AGI remains a theoretical concept, experts are uncertain about the timeline for achieving true AGI, with estimates ranging from several decades to centuries, depending on technological progress and research breakthroughs. The pursuit of AGI requires thoughtful consideration of its implications, ensuring that its development aligns with human values and benefits humanity as a whole. Thanks for watching.